Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am testing out the Finishing Touch Flawless Hair Remover thingamajig. This is one of those products as seen on TV. I've seen so many different commercials on this little tool right here, and I think it sounds like a little silly, a little too good to be true, but that's why I wanted to pick it up and make a video to see if it actually works. Is this product too good to be true? It says it's painless, it's gonna remove like facial hair, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna test it out today in this video. I am a little sick, so if you don't mind that and you want to hear more about this product and see me test it out, then just keep watching. But as always, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. Alrighty, let's jump into the video. I need water. Oh, my throat hurts. So it says on here, removes hair instantly and pain-free. I don't know what is it pulling the hair? I don't understand like the technology in this, because if it pulls the hair, if it's anything like an epilator, that is not pain-free. It says gentle on all skin types, no bumps, no redness, no irritation. Built-in lights lets you see even the finest hairs. Okay, it says hair will not grow back thicker, guaranteed, here on the back, and when you open it, looks like this. We're gonna have to read the instructions because I have no idea how this guy works. Oh cool, it comes with a little battery and this little brush, probably to clean out the hairs, I think. Oh yay, picture tutorial. Here's the little tool right here. I'm not wearing any makeup. I don't know if that was obvious or not. It's because we're going to be using this on my face. So here is this part that you actually put on your face. It looks like it's going to be an epilator. I feel like once this turns on, it's probably going to spin and it's pulling the hair. That's what I think. Where do you put the battery? Oh, there we go. So you just slide it up and then we're going to, oh god, it's already on. Whew. This way. Okay. So when you turn it on, it lights up. Do you hear that? It's like a tiny little mini razor. That's what it sounds like a guy's razor. I feel like you guys should be zoomed in for this. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see if this is working or not. Ugh. Yeah. So I don't know how close I can get to around my brows, but I'm going to try that. Definitely have my little sideburns here. And even right here, I mentioned in my video talking about my 1 month hair growth that now that I have no hair, I'm noticing that like I have these little fuzzies all around my neck right here. So we're gonna try that. I've got maybe a little bit right here. Well, let's just see what we can do. Okay, I'm gonna try my little mustache here first. So flat and then circular motions. Okay, let's do this. I don't really feel anything. Oh, that actually worked. That actually worked and I didn't feel anything. Okay, this is gonna be hard to see, but I'm gonna try to do a close-up so you can see like between each side. Not that like I have a huge mustache or anything, but you can kind of see little tiny hairs, and then this side is completely smooth. Wow, that actually worked. Okay, let me see how close I can get. This is going to be not a flattering shot. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh my god, this is not cute. It got everything off here. Do you see like the little hairs? But it got everything off right here. Ooh, that's good. That's good. I don't know how it's doing this then, because it's really not painful at all. That was freaking awesome. Okay, let's try right here. This might be a little easier to see. Wow, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? It's getting off everything. This is awesome. I don't feel any pain or like no pinching, no pulling, like nothing. Whoa, this is kind of amazing. We gotta get over here. Oh my dear God. I'm gonna need help with this part. Can you do right here? This thing actually works. Okay, so all you do is put it flat and then circular motions, okay? That's the on button. It doesn't hurt or anything. Just don't get my actual hair. Just get...
Wait, I'm scared.
It doesn't hurt. You want to try it on your hand first?
Kind
Watch.
of, not really. Okay. I'm not very hairy, like at all, Jackie.
Yeah, but...
I'm scared. Oh, wow.
But see, it does, that's what I mean. Like, it doesn't hurt.
It tickles.
Can you get where I can't reach?
Like your beard?
Like, whatever all this...
Like to here?
Yeah. Just circular motions. Ow! Just kidding.
Jackie, you can't do that. You want me to go over your tattoo?
If there's hair there.
But some of these hairs might be too long.
It's okay. Okay, so here is this side before shaving anything. I don't know if you guys can see like all these little hairs right here. And then especially like right here. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, I can't tell. And then here is this side after using that. Again, I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but I cleaned up all this. And we got this area too. Woo! Okay, I'm going to work on this side now. Honestly, I think this is an epilator. I'm wondering why it doesn't hurt. Oh, I have a mole in my ear. I never knew that. Wait. I have a black mole just right in the middle of my ear. How did I never know that? That's weird. That was awesome! That was really cool. I don't know how good I did on this side and this side, but I did the best I could. But my skin looks so much brighter because it just took away all those little baby hairs, those little fuzzies that kind of dulled out my skin. Oh my god, my skin looks so much brighter. At least like this part and this part. So I wanted to get a little close to the longer hairs that I have right here to see if it would do a good job. It did pick some up, but I think it does a better job grabbing like the tiny finer hairs, like especially like right here, maybe this area. So it's doing a good job picking up the hairs. It's just, I think it's more for the fine, tiny hairs. So I'm just gonna continue cleaning up around here. I put on moisturizer after I cleansed my face. It probably wasn't a smart idea. You probably want to do this before moisturizing your skin because I am having a hard time making the circular motions. It's kind of dragging against my skin because of the moisturizer. Does it work if I just go like this? Or do I have to do circular motions? Definitely works better if you do the circular motions. But if I accidentally take off too much of my brow, that would suck. Look at, I don't know if you could tell, but this side just looks so much brighter than this side because this side it has like the little tiny baby hairs and this side is nice and smooth and so bright. I really like this guy. What the heck? I really like it. I really thought this was going to be a gimmick, but it's not. It's not. And it wasn't that expensive. I think this was like 20 bucks. $19.99. I think that's how much I paid for this thing. That was awesome. That was so freaking awesome. Let me show you guys on my arms. Like I'll do a different angle so you guys can see close up on my arms to see how this thing really works. Okay, you guys can see my arm hair, right? Okay. You guys see that, right? It's taking off the hair. Look at that. And honestly, it doesn't hurt. I don't feel anything. This light that they say, like, oh, it has a light to help you see. I don't really, unless you're like doing this in the dark, I don't really see the point of that. There you go. Okay, I wanted to show you guys, if you twist the cap, you can actually see all the hair that we got. Holy crap! That's a lot. Oh my gosh. That is a crazy amount. Let's use this little guy. What the heck? Shut the front door. This was all on my face. All of that hair. Oh, that's gross. But it worked. Look at that. Oh, there's still more in there. Oh my goodness. So that is all the hair that it got off of my face. Wow. My gosh, I'm so hairy. So I was definitely skeptical about using this. I didn't think it was gonna work. I thought it was gonna be more like kind of gimmicky, but I'm so surprised it actually took off all the hair. It was completely painless and it actually grabbed a lot of hair, especially after cleaning out that cap. Oh, that was so gross. I can't believe how much hair it actually picked up from my face. Like that's why my skin looks so bright, because I had all these little fuzzies all over my skin, and now my skin just looks so much brighter. Oh, I love this. I love this little guy. So it is recommended that you change the little head or the blade right here every 3 to 4 months. So just keep that in mind. I did get this at Ulta. If I should have mentioned this in the beginning, but if you saw my huge Ulta haul that I did a few days ago, then you saw that that's where I picked this up. And when I went to Ulta, they actually had a bunch of different products. I think they also had the replacement heads there, and then they also had a tinier one of this to focus just on your eyebrow area, and I think there might have even been a body one that you could use on your legs. Kind of interested now. I am kind of interested. This was pretty cool. So this product gets a thumbs up from me. If you guys have tried this out, let me know your guys' experience in the comments below. And if there's any other like weird beauty tools and gadgets that you guys see floating around on the internet, or TV ads that you guys would like me to try and test out to see if they work, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!